Is hair loss bothering you? If so, HairGrow Scalp Booster is the right hair regrowth treatment for you. HairGrow Scalp Booster uses two proven technologies of WellaBoost, high-pressure jet spray, and Electroporation. This helps to improve the absorption of Minoxidil by the scalp by up to 17 times and is ideal for treating hair loss. This helps to improve the absorption of Minoxidil by in a study conducted using various interventions for treating alopecia and hair loss, up to 54% found both mesotherapy and Minoxidil intervention effective in reducing hair loss when used together. There was ample evidence to support the efficacy and safety of topical Minoxidil when used with mesotherapy. HairGrow Scalp Booster has been proven to increase 38% hair cell growth in 4 weeks and 600% improvement in hair thickness when used with Minoxidil. It can help to reduce hair loss and also treat alopecia. This treatment is also non-invasive and painless. The price of one treatment starts from $100+ per session. Why are Wellaholic's prices so affordable? This is in line with Wellaholic's vision to provide affordable aesthetic treatments that work, with transparent pricing and no hard selling. Wellaholic locates our outlets at convenient locations near MRT stations, but with more affordable rents, so that we can pass our cost savings back to our customers. The result? Happy customers, as seen from over 1,000 positive customer reviews on Google Reviews and TripAdvisor reviews. We provide excellent customer service and focus on creating a relaxed and comfortable environment for our customers. We do not hard sell. Instead, we let our services speak for themselves. At Wellaholic, we are constantly reviewing our brand promise, which is to provide affordable treatments for our customers and help our customers see results with treatments that are backed by science and research. We always work to ensure availability of capacity and slots so that customers can make bookings easily online. We look forward to seeing you at Wellaholic. Check out our website at wellaholic.com. Or to make a free booking, go to Wellaholic Live/book. See you.